Okay, Robin, now it's time to test your knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, I know you're smart, but let's see what can happen here. What are the possible threats or losses of footprinting or reconnaissance? All right. Is it A, a loss of sensitive and critical organizational information? Is it B, system and network vulnerabilities are exposed? Is it C, loss of privacy and security? Or is it D, no issue until an attack takes place? What do you think?
Well, Jeff, I'm going to go with A, B, and C.
You were listening. Yes, that's absolutely right. As part of footprinting, one would collate information available in public and also will try to gather information through social networking and social engineering. Way to go. Information collated could be used for impacting the organization negatively, of course. And as system and network vulnerabilities are known, the information can be used to launch an attack.
Right. Data collated could be sensitive in nature and could compromise privacy. Could also compromise the security of the organization.
Absolutely.
It depends on what type of data has been collated. You should be concerned when someone is footprinting because you could expect an attack at any time.